Right, so I was actually looking at the documentation for K3 from Kimi, and they seem to have updated a lot of things since the past model. Right, it is turning out to be a good model for coding as well as other knowledge work. You can find them on their own API platform as well as in Kimi Code. And apart from that, they are also available with other inference providers like Open Router and others, and more will be added soon, right? So in my case, I am trying to run this from command code. They seem to have Kimi K3 listed. If you check the slash model, here you can see Kimi K3 is added. So now what I wish to do is I am going to give it some sort of a design task, right? So what I will do is, but before that we have to give it some sort of a initial check, right? So I have one website which I wish to redesign. So I will ask the model to first check the website, and I will find a way to redesign it. The company is undergoing AI, let's say adoption. They are going to work in the space of, let's say, AI agent development, then AI memory, then AI infrastructure, database, and app development. I want you to think of good landing page for which you can take inspiration from Framer or Webflow to see how websites in that space are designed. And I want you to create a landing page, right? And also what we will do is we will ask it to create a design palette for it as well, so we can build other pages, right? Now we will pass this up and we will then see it has created the design and explain me what it has built. So it has created the index HTML, which will be our landing page, and also the design system MD to show what palette, what font, and what other design elements it has added, right? Now if we go to that directory, and here if I open it with Firefox, it will show me something like this. Now here is my problem. Considering this is built as a dark mode, I still can't get over the fact that this looks really bad, right? Because it is in dark mode. Not every website deserves to be in the dark mode, and it looks really bad for those companies, those concepts, and those products which needs to have some sort of a feel, right, for the services. Right now currently you can see everything is single page, which is fine by me, but we can see how the type of impact the dark mode has decided. It came up with a better design, but the issue is this is not what I expected, right? So I may have to feed it some of the examples from Framer and let's say Webflow so that it can understand what type of design I'm expecting. But as far as you can see the speed at which it is developing and also came up with the landing page, I think it was a decent job.